Some people know me for doing a wee bit of this, a wee bit of that, and a wee bit of this. Travelling the length and breadth of the country, capturing the history, the mystery, and the beauty of Ireland. But on Sunday the 1st of May 2022, things took a turn for the worse, ending up in the hands of the NHS's finest. So began a full evaluation of life and how to turn my dream into a reality. This is my journey, how I got from here to here.
Welcome to Donegal! Cheap bastard.
So we'll get these seats ripped out and we'll get this bulkhead trailed off. We'll give it a good cleaning out. We'll get the floors ripped up and we'll see exactly what's lying underneath it. So day two, that thing fought us the whole day yesterday, and as you can see we've got a little bit more room. The 3 seats that we had here yesterday, I advertised them on Gumtree. A guy came out this morning, helped me unfit them, and he took them away. So the money I got for the 3 seats will pay for the rivet seat. So we're going to battle on here. We're going to try and get the rest of this floor removed and give the thing a good brush out and hopefully start to clean it later on this evening. There's a few parts starting to arrive today off Amazon. Realistically, I would love to have this all out tonight. It is fighting us some of the way, and we'll maybe get to slap a mop on it, give it a good clean out. That's day 2. Starts right now. When people say it's going to take you a long time to do this, I actually didn't realise what they meant. Now I know. Voila! Whoever designed these things needs shot. We are prepped, got it, and we are ready to go. Brilliant, lovely.